We have already done one general exercise on demonstrative pronouns in the previous video. Let me ask you the questions on demonstrative pronouns. So what are demonstrative pronouns? Do you remember? Yes, demonstrative pronouns are used to point out objects as well as people. Okay, and what are demonstrative pronouns? Yes, these, that, these, those. I repeat, this, that, these, those. Okay, so if the thing is nearby us, we use which pronouns? Yes, this and these. Remember, this and that are the plural pronouns and these and those are plural pronoun. This and that are singular pronouns and these and those are plural pronouns. And if the thing, if a singular object, that is if one thing is nearby us, which pronoun we need to use? Yes, we need to use this. And if the thing, if many things are nearby us, which pronoun we used to point out? These. Remember that this and these are used to point out the things which is nearby us. Okay, if one thing is nearby us, I can use this. If many things is nearby me, if I want to point out, I use these pronouns. Okay, and if the thing is far, if one thing is far, I am going to point out one thing, then I will use that pronoun. Remember, okay. If many things are far away from me, I want to point out those things, then which pronoun I need to use? Yes, those pronoun. Clear? This and these are used to point out the things which is nearby us, and that and those are used to point out the things which is far away from us. Okay, let's start doing the exercise. So here I have written 6 questions which is in your book. Let's start doing one by one. Okay, so choose the correct pronouns. Could you pass dash to me please? I can't reach the top myself. Could you pass dash to me please? I can't reach the top myself. I will tell you the Tamil meaning for this sentence. எனக்கு நீ அது கொஞ்சம் பாஸ் பண்றியா, என்னால அதுக்கு ரீச் பண்ண முடியல, ஏனா அது மேல இருக்கு. So when we are talking about the thing which is far, now I am telling you அது மேல இருக்கு, என்னால ரீச் பண்ண முடியல, I can't reach, I am telling you, then what does it mean? Yes, it is far away from me, and I am talking about only one thing only. Okay, so I am talking about only one thing. So if one thing is far away from us, which pronoun we need to use? Yes, that. So the answer will be that. Now the sentence will be like, could you pass that to me please? I can't reach the top myself. Clear? Let's go for the second. Look at the flowers here. Dash are not expensive. Look at the flowers here. Here means it is nearby. Okay, it is nearby us. So flower stands for singular or plural? Yes, it is a plural flowers, right? Plural. So just imagine that the flower is nearby us. Okay, so which pronoun I need to use for referring to the flowers? Yes, this is plural. So for the plural we need to use only these two pronouns, and it is nearby me. If it is nearby me, which pronoun I need to use for plural? Yes, nearby means these. Then the answer is these. Look at the flowers here. These are not expensive. இங்க இருக்கிற flowers பாருங்க, இது ரொம்ப எக்ஸ்பென்சிவா இல்ல, காஸ்ட்லியா இல்ல. Okay, now let's go for the third. Dash smells delicious. Dash smell delicious. What are you cooking? What are you cooking? I'll tell you the Tamil translation. இது வந்து ரொம்ப delicious, டேஸ்டியா ஸ்மெல் வருது, என்ன குக் பண்றீங்க? They are asking. Okay, they are asking. So when we are pointing out, so when do you ask? If your mummy is cooking a biryani or any payasam, if the smell is coming, where do you ask? Yes, we go nearby and we'll smell more. நம்ம இன்னும் அதிகமா will smell and we will ask and we point out, wow, இது ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கேமா, என்ன குக் பண்றீங்க? Likewise it is asking. Okay, they are asking. So now I am going to point out the cooking only. It may be only one dish only. If one dish means it is singular. So for singular we use only this and that. So now the thing is nearby us. I just imagine that I am going to nearby the thing and it smells good. I will say if it is near, which pronoun I need to use to point out? Yes, nearby singular thing I need to use this thing. This smells good. The answer is this. So the sentence will be like, this smells delicious. What are you cooking? Clear? Let's go for the fourth. I liked all the paintings at the museum. I liked all the paintings at the museum. But I loved the portraits best. But I loved the portraits best. Dash were my favorite. So I will tell you the Tamil translation of the sentence. That is, எனக்கு மியூசியமில் இருக்கிற எல்லா பெயிண்டிங்ஸுமே ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது பட் அதில் போர்ட்ரேட் போர்ட்ரேட் மீன்ஸ் த பிக்சர் ஆஃப் பர்சன் ஒரு பர்சனோடைய பிக்சரை தான் போர்ட்ரேட் நம்ம சொல்லுவோம், உருவப்படங்கள். ஓகே, அவங்களுடைய பிக்சர் எனக்கு ரொம்பவே பிடிச்சது. ஸோ டேஷ் ஸோ அதெல்லாம் எனக்கு வந்து ஃபேவரட். ஓகே, ஸோ ஹியர் we are talking about the portraits. Okay, we are talking about the portraits. Now this portrait is added by us, right? So S is added to the portrait. So now it is a plural form only. So we are talking about the plural thing. Means which two pronoun we can use? Yes, these are those. Now this portrait is not nearby them, right? They are talking about the museum. The museum is far away. அது வந்து ரொம்ப தூரமா இருக்கு, but they are talking. Okay, then which pronoun we can use for pointing out the far away things? Yes, for far away at a distance we need to use those only. So the answer is those. So those were my favorite. Let's go for fifth. Dash are my shoes. Your shoes are over there. Dash are my shoes. Your shoes are over there. இது வந்து என்னுடைய ஷூஸ், உன் ஷூஸ்லாம் அங்கே இருக்கு. That is the Tamil meaning. Okay, so they are pointing out the shoes and this shoes stand for plural because see here are they have written are mean they are talking about maybe two pair of shoes. Okay, so here this is the plural form. Okay, this shoes it's a stand for plural. So for plural which two pronoun we can use? Yes, these and those. And they are talking, they already mentioned that your shoes are over there and his shoe only nearby. So nearby we use these pronoun only. These are my shoes. Your shoes are over there. Clear? Let's go for last. Dash is my favorite color, not this. Dash is my favorite color, not this. So this actual meaning will be in Tamil is like என்னுடைய அதுதான் என்னுடைய ஃபேவரட் கலர், இது இல்லை. So they are telling that this color is not their favorite color, but the color which is far away, that is only their favorite color. So color means they are talking about only one color. So one color means it's a singular and the color is far away. So one singular thing and it is far, we use that. So that is my favorite color, not this. Clear? Yes children, this is the very easy pronouns type of pronouns. So that is demonstrative pronoun is very easy to you because already we know about it. This, that, these and those we are using in our real life also. I hope you are clear with this book back exercise. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.